Hi, I'm Neil with Covers Camo Custom Seat Covers. Just showing you a quick way to provide a review. We've had some customers, just happy customers wanting to provide a review. If you just go to Google, and this is to provide a Google review, you can just, again, pull up Google, google.com, and then in the search bar, just type in Covers and Camo and spell out and. So Covers and Camo, Salt Lake City. And that's Salt Lake City, Utah. You can type in Salt Lake City or Salt Lake City, Utah, either one. And then over here on the right hand side, you're going to see this is our little Google business listing right here. You scroll down on that, you can click on write a review, or you could add photos as well. So if you have photos that you want to add, it's going to tell you to write a review. You're going to want to click that here, and then it is going to prompt you to sign in. So you do have to have a Google account or a Gmail account to do that. But you sign in there, and then it'll give you a chance there to provide a review. I'll just get signed in there. Okay, so I've actually already provided a review on here, but if you hadn't already, you could then click the stars. So you need to click however many stars you want to review there, and then type up your review right there, and then this button right here you can click and add photos as well. So if you have a photo on your computer or something on your phone, you can click on a photo there and then select and add it as part of your review, which is really nice. We really appreciate that if you can add photos in there. So again, this is how you provide a Google review for us. We really appreciate the feedback, and let us know if there's anything we can do for you. So thanks so much. Signing out.